We just so happen to be doing a breakfast sandwich crawl. So I think we'll do the egg sandwich.
Egg sandwich.
And then we'll do the breakfast burrito.
I'm here with Zoe Kahn, who loves sandwiches, and I'm sure she doesn't need to be introduced. Thanks,
you. Christian.
All right.
So this is the burrito and then the poppy seed roll breakfast sandwich.
Yeah, we're at Joe's, Bayside. So it's on
Joe's
Portage,
with a Z.
Joe's with a Z. It's on Portage Bay.
Joe's is doing sandwiches and wraps, and I was here on Saturday getting the chicken Caesar wrap, and then we got the smash burger.
And you said that they have the best chicken Caesar wrap in town.
They have the best one in town,
okay.
Which I don't often say like the best because it's really a personal experience. But I had so many. I think I had about 15 chicken Caesar wraps around Seattle that I felt very confident that this was worth trying.
I think I can count the number of chicken Caesar wraps I've had in my life like on 3 fingers of one hand.
It gets a lot of hate. It's like a very basic type of wrap. I'm gonna go in on a bite of this guy. It's really warm. Cheese is nice and melty. The layers look beautiful. Yeah. It's very rich. Big piece of bacon.
And cheese and like some kind of spicy mayo.
Maybe some scallions?
Yeah, scallions. Oh.
I lost some egg.
Homemade poppy bun. So these aren't really like a Kaiser roll either, though.
No.
This is a good bun, though. But it's more like a brioche hamburger bun with poppy seeds.
Yeah, it's nice.
Which you said you like better for egg sandwiches anyway, right?
I do like this. I prefer my breakfast sandwich on a roll like this. This burrito looks really nice. Should we do a burrito cheers?
Yeah, cheers.
Oh, wow. That was banging.
I thought that was rice when I first opened it, but it's not. It's like a hash brown
potato. So good.
The potatoes are crispy.
Yeah, which is nice. There's a lot of fun textures happening here. You have the potatoes, the egg, the chorizo, which I love. There's a little bit of kick to it, which I really like.
Are you generally a burrito person?
I'll go for a sandwich more often than I will a burrito, but I would get this again over that, I think.
Yeah, this is good. You know, I lived in the Mission in San Francisco for a while, and burritos are a thing there. But like, I've never been a burrito
Tell me more.
lover.
Why do you think?
Anytime I've had a burrito, I would have preferred it as just like a plate of separate things with the tortilla. Like I've never had a burrito where I feel like it was better than the sum of its parts. You know, and I also always prefer a taco over a burrito. But maybe that's why I don't like what?
A chicken Caesar wrap. Because will you typically go for a sandwich over a wrap? Because I think a wrap is just a burrito.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah. Do you have a number one sandwich spot? Well, I shouldn't say number one. Do you have a few frequently visited sandwich spots?
Yeah. Well, Post Valley Pizza, I think, is my favorite.
You told me about that, and then I've gone so many times since.
They're really good, yeah. They make their own bread, and it's fantastic. I'm not going to say whether I prefer paseo or ambien, but Cuban pork sandwiches, which are a specifically Seattle thing. Also,
I think if you did like a Seattle bingo card for sandwiches, that's on there. The Post Valley Pizza sandwich is on there. The Volunteer Park Cafe breakfast sandwich is there.
Yep, absolutely.
This would be fun to make, actually. Maybe I should make this.
Like a 24 plus a wild card?
Yeah.
I mean, I know Christian, the owner here, he came out and said hi and said that chicken wrap business has been booming since you put your review up. How do you feel about when Zoe Kahn says, get this, that people are going to go get it and it'll change a business, like it'll bring them more business, but it also kind of surprises people sometimes.
And I think you have that too. I know people say like the Kenji effect is very real. So it's both a good thing and a complicated thing because you hope that they're braced. You hope that their staff is ready, both with like ingredients and mentally. You know, I'm sure Christian wasn't expecting to make 100 chicken Caesar wraps on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. When I came here, I was like, hey, by the way, I'm gonna make a video. I just try to give a heads up whenever I can.
Yeah, I generally try and tell people if I enjoyed something and then they can expect it. Yeah.
I think overall it is a positive, right? Like hopefully you're introducing this business to people who have never tried it before. Yeah. There are so many places that you gotta just put in the drive. It is worth it. So I feel.
Yeah, you sound like a Michelin guide.
Yeah, that's fair. Yeah, use those tires. Thanks, Kenji. Always a pleasure, and but it's really fun when we're together and we can chit chat and share this. So I appreciate you. Just fun to bond over great foods around the area.